What's up? Happy birthday, Exile. Yeah! Broadway Barrett's the name, Robbie Shades. I'm from Sunset Park, Brooklyn. And I'm gonna do some shit right now, a little hardcore for y'all, but let me know if you dig it. Throw it in. Just Thank you, XR.